how to find screenshot. Maybe guys, sometime you will take your screenshot, right? And how you can find this screenshot, you can see easily in this video. I will tell you sometime we can take your screenshot. Right now you can see we can take your screenshot, and how we can find this. Where is this tab? You can just, you want to just find here your gallery, and you have to just open the search bar and now you have to just search the gallery app and open it, gallery app. Now you can see the gallery app will be open. So recently you can see the reader recently you will take the screenshot, then if there is showing to here in the search bar at the top. Otherwise it will not show here, then you have to just click on the album, and now you can see here album will be open, and just find here and open your screenshot folder. Now you can see here my all screenshots are will be there here. You have to just see, you want to see your screenshots, and now you can see your all screenshot will be see here too. Okay, maybe guys this video is helpful to you. If you forget the like, then please like and subscribe to the channel Gen 1 Guy.